We are Sonovus Energy, a veteran-owned, Texas-based renewable energy company. There are two types of solar mounting options: roof mount and ground mount racking systems. Roof mount systems affix the brackets on your roof, while ground mount systems are built into a foundation at ground level. Ground mounted solar panels are easier to access, easier to clean, and easier to troubleshoot, and have stronger racking overall. The system is not confined to the dimensions of any roof. Roof-mounted options are less expensive, require fewer materials to install, and that means the installation labor cost is lower, and it utilizes unused space. For more information on roof mounts or ground mounts, please contact Sonovus Energy.